Good morning children. Today we are discussing exercise 5.4 page number 74. Yesterday 5.3 completed no? 73 page number there give some examples. Example 7, 8, 9 given no? That all rule given no? What rule I have given? It's a formula. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that all. This formula when you have to apply? When you are doing verification for that sum, you have to apply this formula, then you will get the proper answer like that. Now onwards, division like a quotient, sometimes they will ask remainder like that. Okay, now after coming these exercises are asking like that questions. Now page number 74, exercise 5.4, divide to find the quotient and remainder. Now there 1 to 30 sums are given no? Now we have to divide that and find out the quotient and remainder. Now see first one, exercise 5.4, page number 74. Right? Divide to find the quotient and remainder. Now first one is what? 23 divided by 2. So now we have to find out quotient and remainder from this. Okay? This is divisor, this is dividend. Now we have to find out quotient and remainder. First one digit is there means you have to take one digit. I said no, that's simple method. Now 1 2 is 2, 0 will come. Now this 3 come to down. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 means here 3 given, but 4 means we have big number. So we have to take 1 2 is 2. Small number should be taken. What you have here, that number before number means a small number you should take. Okay. Now 2 will be take. Now 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the remainder. Okay. I said no in the previous classes. Sometimes remainder will come 1 or 2 like that. I said no. Sometimes most probably 0 will come. But sometimes some like this is there means that 2 digits are multiplied with 2 means we get remainder 0. But here 3 given. 3 means we not multiply with 2 table no. So we will get remainder 1. Now here quotient what now? 11. Quotient 11. Now what should be right? Now they are asking quotient and remainder no. So hence quotient equals to 11. Remainder equals to 1. Now second one, 45 divided by 4. Now 4 table 45. In the 4 table first you should take one digit now. 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 4 0. This 5 to come to down. Now 4 1s are 4 again. Why? Because 4 2s are 8. 8 means 8 is big number to the prime number no. So we have to take small number to the given number. 4 is the small number to the 5. So 5 minus 4 1. So remainder is, now I am not writing here. Directly I should write here. Hence quotient equals to 11. Remainder equals to 1. Okay. See children, when you are writing in your math CW, all exercises you should maintain like this. I am explaining here. This is your book. For example, this is your book. You should maintain columns and rows. I said no. Like this. Okay. Now here first one write here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6 like that. Okay. Now third one 69 divided by 6. Now 6 table 69. So 6 1 is 6. This 9 come to down. So 0. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. So we have to take 1. 6 1 is 6. 9 minus 6 3. So remainder is 3. Now hence quotient equals to 11, remainder equals to 3. Okay children. Now fourth sum, 31 divided by 5. Now 5 table. Do you know 5 table? Very easy. So here observe children, here some change is there. See once observe, here 3 given. In the 5 table 3 is very small now. So we should take 2 digits now. In the 5 table you have to find out that this number. When it's come 31, in the 5 table 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 25 is 25, 5 6s are 30. So 5 6s are 30. That should be right here. Okay. So 30 means 5 7s are 35. 35 means 35 is big no. Here 31 is smaller. 35 is big. So we have to take 30 only. 5 6s are 30. So remainder is this one come to down. Now hence quotient equals to 6. Remainder equals to 1. You have like this number, small number. Here multiplication table what? 5. In this first digit we don't have, this is very small digit no. So we should take 2 digit. 2 digits here. Okay. Then when you take 2 digits you have to read table of 5. When it's get that you have to write. Okay. Now fifth one, 65 divided by 8. You should remember like this. This is small number means you have to take that divisor. Big number means that's it dividend. Okay. Now we have to find out quotient and remainder. Before that we have to observe once here also. 65 means first here digit what? 6. 8 is big, 6 is small. So we should take 2 digit. 2 digits here, okay, 65. 65, when it's come in the 8 table, 65, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. 72 means 8 9s are 72 means there 65 given, but 72 is big no. So we should take 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64. Small number you have to take when you are doing this. Why? Because here we are doing subtraction. Subtraction means you have to not borrowing here anything. Okay, we have to take small number only before the divisor. Okay, now 5 minus 4 1, 6 minus 6 0. So remainder is this. Okay, I am writing here. Hence quotient equals to 8, remainder equals to 1. Okay children, now 6 sum. 92 divided by 9. Now 9 table, here observe 2 digits, here 9 is there means you have to do 9 ones are 9. When you doing one digit only, this digit come to down, but here observe children, here observe. Here 2, only 2 is there. So we not able to do the multiplication. Multiplication means in the 9 table 2 is not possible. Why? Because 2 is very small to 9 now. So we should take 2 digits now here. We should take 2 digits means 9 is there, here also 9 is there, so you should write 1 first. Don't think like that. When you have here small number, so we should take 2 digits now. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are now. When 92 will come, see in the 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. So 9 11s are 99. 99 means that is big, no? So 9 10s are 90. Here observe children, I wrote already. Once again I will explain. See once, I forgot this. Now 9 10s are 90 you should write. Now this 2 come to down. You think like that. What is madam given? Before that 2 will come to down. That is only reminder, no? I will taking like this. Why? Because means answer of that. See here from 90 we should subtract with 92. We will get 2. Like that, when you are doing subtraction, when you get the number, that is only for reminder. Okay, that is only our reminder, not this number come to down. That is not reminder. Okay, understand children? Now here 10 nines are 90. We should write like that. Now 92 minus 90, 2 will get. So this is reminder. Hence quotient is 10, reminder is 2. Okay, 2 before 0 will be there. No, that why not writing, madam? You asking like 0 is not count. Why? Because when you have before the number of 0, that not countable to us. Okay, after that number we have to count like a 10, but before number we no need to count a 0. Okay, I hope you all are understand children. If you have any doubts, message me. 7 8 9 10 homeworks for you. 7 8 9 10 write in your maths HW, that all. 1 to 6 sums you have to copy in your maths CW with the pen, draw columns and rows and write there. Okay, this 7 to 10 sums you have to write in your maths HW. Everything you should maintain with pen, blue pen. Okay, thank you children, bye bye.